Hello, my name is Jaivardhan Shukla and I'm from Uttar Pradesh, India, and welcome to my CS50's Project 0 for Python and JavaScript. And this is basically a dummy of Google with three different pages. The first one is the search page, second one is the images page, and last one is the advanced search page. We'll get back to these two pages later. First, we'll look into the search page. So this is the Google Doodle in here. Um, and first we will look at the feeling lucky button. If I click on this button, we will be launched directly into the Google Doodle page as we would have expected from this button. And yeah, nothing here. So if I type something here, for example, Greek life, and then I Google searched it, you will be launched directly into the Google. Yeah, so you would be landed directly into the Google. I get back from here, and this was the first page, and this is all the things that we take care so that this page looks more aesthetically closer to the Google's own search page. Next page here is Google search. If I click on this page, it will be launched directly into the local Google search page. This is a local page. You can see from the URL of the page, it's a local page. So if I type something, for example, I type school in here and I just Google searched it, you would see I'm sorry, this was the old page. So this is the images page, you can see from here. So if I type school in here and I just perform the Google search, you can see the results are coming into the images section of the Google search. So this is what it does. It's just the images page of the Google as we expected from this page. The last one is yeah, also I'm feeling lucky button is also included in this page. Yes, the Google is also included it. Therefore the last one is this advanced search page. As you can see, in the left hand corner of the screen there are four different boxes. All the words, if you can write all the words, the pages consisting of these words would come up. This exact word of is any of these words and none of these words. This is similar to the advanced search page of Google. If you would type results here, accordingly the pages would come. So if I type Facebook, exact word of page, if I type Facebook login, and I type yes sign up, and I perform this advanced search, you can see that the results accordingly are coming up because yes, results accordingly are coming up. So this project, this was the project for CS50. Thanks for watching.